chicken? Look at your classmates, they're eating too.
Mami na. Mami help you. Wait lang.
Ayaw kumain, pwede na ibalot.
How about soup? Uy, bite it. Why you don't like it? Don't like?
Sige na, ito na.
You bite it like this, oh. Ayun, oh, katulad kanya, oh. Oh, soup na lang.
Ayun, chicken. O, chicken na nga.
Ay, paka-arte. More rice, more rice.
I cannot grab.
Sige, o, chicken na. Wag mo chicken. Si Bella, tinabuhan ba?
Look, oh. Hey, look, oh, like that, oh.
Iyan sa'yo.
You need to grab the chicken. Look. Water, water, water. Naku, okay mo, be. Look at ate, oh. Look at ate. Oh. You have to grab it and then bite the chicken. Grab. All rice with it.
We're doing the light. No,
Okay, chicken only. Go. Yes.
that it was chicken.
Just like G-Boy's chicken from Jollibee.
What?
Yeah. That's what it tastes like. Look at them. Oh, they eat a lot. Oh. Wow, so yummy. Don't eat the bone, okay? The hard part, don't eat the bone. This is not the bone. You can eat this one. Crazy naman. This one, anak ko, you can eat this one. Oh. You can take a bite of this one. Anak, akala ko ba yummy? Buto ba to? Hindi naman buto. O, soup na lang. Soup na lang tsaka rice you want. Hey, you should eat, you should swallow it kasi. Swallow. Swallow mo kasi.
Huwag ka na makikisubo.